just missed the most important thing. He just pushed it away like it was nothing. And there's the mill. Oops, sorry.